Leyte Congressman Richard Gomez is under fire after this flood control project collapsed just months after its inauguration. Matag-Ob Mayor Bernie Tacoy confirms Gomez was there when it launched.
Nga nag-groundbreaking sila ni anang maong flood control projects nga naa diha sa barangay Riverside nga natumpag sa hinay lang nga baha kagabi. Unya para namo insulto kayo. Labi na ngadto sa taga DPWH nga dili gani sila magkig-coordinate sa among planning officer, sa among engineering para unta maistoryahan ug unsa ang maayong koordinasyon para mahimo nga insakto maayo ang mga mga proyekto.
But instead of answers, Gomez went on a Facebook rant calling media coverage mahal na spin. He even posted screenshots of journalists asking for his side, then accused them of being paid hacks. The National Union of Journalists fired back. It's our job to ask questions. A simple no comment would have sufficed. DWIZ and Aliu TV also slammed the congressman. Aliu TV said accusing journalists of being paid is an attack on press freedom. Now, Deputy Speaker Ronnie Puno says Gomez could face an ethics complaint for doxing reporters and undermining the press.
Personal na napakalinaw na kailangan may paliwanag, hindi niya gagawin. That's, and then if you compound the issue by insulting people, no, hindi maganda talaga yun. No, I think, the ethics committee should be brought into that.
Malu Talosig Bartolome, Business Mirror.